Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how you can make this delicious lemon quark cake all by yourself. So watch until the end to know how you can make this. You'll need 150 grams of biscuits, 70 grams of butter, 3 biological lemons, 8 leaves of gelatine, 250 milliliter whipped cream, 150 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 500 milliliters of plain quark. You'll start by crunching the cookies into small pieces and melting the butter in a pan. Okay, our cookies are now all crunched and the butter is done. Now it's time for mixing. So just mix it until it's all one texture. And then you're gonna put this in the fridge until we're done with the um, mix for the cake. So yeah, just put it in the fridge when it's something like this. So let's start making the filling for the cake now. The first step for the cake filling is taking our melons. Make sure you clean them with some water and just taking the skin off with a cheese grater or something else if you want to use it. And you're gonna do it everywhere on all three. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done with that. I now got all the skin from the lemons. Now you're gonna take 2 lemons. You're gonna cut them in half, just like this, both. And then you're gonna take the juice and just put it all in one glass. And if you get like the seeds in your glass, you can just take them out later. That does not really matter right now. So just juice 2 lemons, and when you have juiced them all, I'm gonna show you the next step. We're now done with the lemon juice, as you can see, and now we're gonna take our gelatine leaves and put them in some cold water for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna come back to that when that's done. Let's get to the next step. Okay, while we're waiting for the gelatine to get done, you're gonna put this in a pan and let it warm up on low heat. Um, so let's do that now. Our lemon is now warm, and now you're gonna add your gelatine one by one in here and just gonna mix until it's all gone. And when you have put them all in here, you're gonna let this cool down for a little, and then we're gonna go to the next step. So let's go to the next step now. While we're waiting for this to cool down, you're gonna take the cookie mix that we made before. You're gonna put this in a cake mold and just spread it all out at the bottom and just press it so it turns into one almost one big cookie. It is thin though. So when I'm done with this, I'm gonna show you what you have to do then. We just put all the cookies in the mold. Now you're gonna take your whipped cream and put it in a bowl and whip it all up. So let's go and do that. Okay, somewhere halfway whipping your cream, you're gonna add your sugar in here and just keep whipping. So let's go do that now. Our whipped cream is now done. Now you're gonna add slowly because we want to keep it with a lot of air inside. So you're gonna put this in and slowly and steady mix it. And you're gonna add 2/3 of our lemon skin, just like that. And you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, just like that. Just gonna add a little more because I took a little, like small. Now you're gonna mix this slowly and carefully. And when you're done with that, you're gonna add it in here on the cookies, and you're gonna put this in the fridge for 3 hours. And yeah, I'm gonna show you when it's done being in the fridge. So see you when that's done. Oh yeah, and before you put this in the shape, make sure you add the quark. So yeah, let's do that. As you can see, it is now done after being in the fridge for 3 hours. Now we're gonna use a knife to just carefully cut all around it so it lets go of the shape. Just like this. You're gonna just put it away. Now you're gonna take this and do it like this, and voila! Ooh, beautiful. Look at this. Now you're gonna take the 1/3 of lemon that we still had, and you're gonna just sprinkle it all over. Some more here, some more over here, and a little left here. So that looks good. And yeah, that was it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.